Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to SobeRish. So today I'll be making for you the OP Corona, जो होगी बहुत hard. So first up, take a Corona. Now open this up. Obviously.
I knew it.
So I'll be making this cocktail inside the bottle. I can easily pour this in a glass, but what's the fun in that? Cheers. Now that we have created some space inside the bottle, pour on top some tequila. Pour on top of that some Mountain Dew, because डर के आगे जीत है. And what's the worst that can happen? As some of you must be knowing, I'm a big fan of blue drinks. So now I'll pour some blue Curacao on the top. This looks amazing. So, to garnish this, put a lemon wedge on top. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and definitely check us out on Instagram. Cheers.